Good day, Brad and Sis. On behalf of MERCC, Middle East Regional Coordinating Council, with our TGFSIC President Brad Ted Mogol, we would like to greet our two international councils and KSA chapters. First, TISOM, the Triskelion International Sultanate of Oman, for its 18th founding anniversary, headed by Brad Kokoy Burak and the Grand Council officers. Second, RTIC Riyadh Triskelion International Council for its 5th founding anniversary, headed by Chairman JPAC and all officers, at ang first founding anniversary din ng South and North Chapter ng KSA. Happy anniversary po sa inyong lahat at naway maging masaya at maging memorable ang inyong pag-celebrate ng inyong anibersaryo ngayong ika-27 ng Nobyembre, taong 2025. Salute to all, Arriba Taugam.
Magandang araw mga kapatid. Ito po ang inyong simpleng tambay ng kapatid ng Triskelion, Brad Errol Garcia Torena. Isang karangalan na mapasama ako sa libu-libong mga babate sa inyong ika-5th founding anniversary, ang Riyadh Triskelion International Council. Brad, isang karangalan na kadaupang palad ko kayo sa mga darating na araw, at isang pasasalamat sa patuloy ninyong pagpapalakas ng ating samahan kahit sa ibang bansa. Nakakatuwa, nakakaantig ng puso ang mga ginagawa ninyo dyan sa labas ng Pilipinas, at nararamdaman ng mga ibang lahi kung paano magmahalan bilang magkakapatid ang mga Pilipino, lalong-lalo na ang kapatid ng Triskelion. Wala naman hinihingi ang inyong lingkod, kundi ang patuloy na pagsuportahan bilang magkakapatid. Wala akong hiningi at wala akong pinangarap sa buong buhay ko bilang isang inyong simpleng Triskelion, kundi makita kung paano magsama-sama na walang kapalit, paano magtulungan na walang inaasahan ang magkakapatid. Naturalmente, may mga mag-away-away, pero dapat nandyan yung paghintindihan, nandyan yung suportahan, nandyan yung pagtutulakan sa likod para mag-push ang kapatid natin on a positive note. Sa muli, mga kapatid ko dyan sa Riyadh, mag-ingat kayo lagi. Mahal kayo ng mga kapatid nandito sa National Executive Council. Lalo-lalo ng inyong lingkod. Kung ano man ang maitutulong ng ating grupo, nandyan lang kami. So sa muli, happy 5th founding anniversary, Riyadh Triskelion International Council. Salamat sa mabubuo ng inyong mga leader, sa inyong mga organizer, kay Chairman JPAC Patiam, brother, sa iyong pamumuno, sa iyong pangangalaga, sa iyong pagproteksyon ng ating kapatiran dyan sa Riyadh. Isang malaking pasasalamat ko sa iyo. So, sa muli, salamat ng buong puso na galing dito sa isang Bicolanong Triskelion. Arriba, Taugama.
Good day mga brad and sis. Kamusta kayo dyan? No? Nais ko lamang kayong batiin ng mainit na happy 15th founding council anniversary sa inyong lahat. Sana pagyamanin nyo pa at mahalin ang ating konseho. Gayon din na kayong binabati ang bagong chapter, ang South Central Chapter at saka North Central Chapter na pinangungunahan ng mga GTs na magigiting. No? Sana naman suportahan nyo ang bawat isa, magpakumbaba, magmahalan, huwag na tayo tumulad sa iba. Basta gawin lang natin na hindi komplikado ang lahat. Simplihan lang natin. Ibababa natin ang ego para hindi tayo magsasapawan dahil iisa lang naman nating minimiti ang adhikain natin. Temporary lang naman ang lahat, kaya dapat Magmahalan lang tayo dyan. Yun lang. Happy 5th anniversary sa Riyadh Triskelion International Council. Lalo-lalo na sa 2 chapters. Mabuhay kayo. Salute!
Maligayang araw mga kapatid. Binabati ko kayo ng ika-5 anibersaryo ng Riyadh Triskelion International Council at first anniversary ng North and South Chapter. Sana maging parating masaya at maayos ang council at panatilin nating solido ang ating council dyan sa Riyadh. Mabuhay kayong lahat. At I miss you. This is Brad Christopher Bakulay from Toronto, Canada. I love you all. Bye-bye. Enjoy. Happy Anip ulit.
I also wish to congratulate the Riyadh Triskelion International Council, led by Chairman Brad J. Pak, Jason Patiam, on your 5th founding anniversary. It was both an honor and a privilege to have spent time with Chairman J. Pak in Manila this past September, a visit that was both productive and truly enjoyable. Congratulations as well to the South Central Chapter and North Central Chapter as you celebrate your first anniversaries. These milestones reflect the dedication and commitment of your members and leaders. Our progress and the many positive developments within the Middle East Regional Coordinating Council are a testament to the resilience and strength of character of our current leaders. Because of their efforts, we have not been deterred by those who seek to divide us under the guise of unification. Despite the myriad of challenges we face in the region, including the ongoing conflict between Israel and the Arab countries, we have not given up. Instead, we continue to persevere, drawing strength from the character and dedication of both our past and present leaders. Let us focus not on our differences, but on the common ground that unites us. This is my admonition and a continuing one. This unity is our greatest strength. We must also recognize that arrogance and a misguided sense of supremacy are the greatest threats to our unity. Humility is the antidote to such attitudes, and it is the true secret to genuine unification. This principle is biblical, it's time-honored, and effective. Again, congratulations and happy anniversary. Your brother and your servant, Brad Ted Mogul.
Cash or card?